For this week's mindfulness, I'm going to show you a quick and easy candle meditation. Using a candle or any other object, it can be fire, it can be a crystal, helps you to focus your attention, and it helps you to calm your mind and slow down that monkey mind that's going 90 miles an hour, especially this time of year. It can be very relaxing and very centering. Very simple to do. Find yourself a blanket. I've got my favorite Christmas blanket that I'm sitting on, and I have one of my favorite candles. You'll want one with a bit of a wick on it because you want to see the flame well. You can use an electric candle if you're not able to have open flames wherever you are, and that's fine. They still flicker. So we're going to get our candle and we're going to light it. Voila. So let yourself settle in. Find that comfortable position. You can sit however you want. If you need to lean back against something, that's fine too. Just get that good seated position. And we're going to take 3 deep breaths in. Get away from the candle a little bit so that you're not getting smoke in your face. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. Again, inhale. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. And inhale. 2, 3, 4. And exhale. Now, seated in that comfortable position, bring your attention to the candle flame. And just watch it. Watch it as it moves, as it flickers. If there happens to be a little airflow wherever you are from your heater or your fan or whatever, you'll notice the flame moving back and forth. Just get in the flow of the movement of the flame and bring your attention to your breath at the same time. We're not trying to alter our breath, we're just understanding that we're inhaling and exhaling. And watching that candle. If you get distracted by something, that's okay. Just bring your attention back to the candle flame. Notice the thoughts as they're flowing through your head, but don't settle on them. Just let them float on through. And now, bring your attention to something you would like to let go of. Maybe you're feeling particularly stressed about something at work. So you're going to bring your attention to that, and you're going to let that negativity flow through the candle flame as you exhale. Then on your next inhale, you're going to inhale light and peace. And again, exhale all those negative feelings that go along with whatever it is at work that's bothering you. Inhaling the light and the peace and the joy of the season. So let everything go that doesn't serve you anymore. Bringing in the light and the peace, the dancing candlelight, the pretty fairy lights, and the joy that those visuals bring you. Two or three more breaths here as we Let the negativity go and the joy and the light come in. Push those negative things away. Bring the good in. And one more. And bring in those peaceful and wonderful feelings. Now settle and relax for just a couple more breaths here. And leave with a sense of gratitude that you took this time for yourself to ground yourself and calm yourself and release the negativity that's causing you anxiety and worry. And when you feel settled, blow out your candle. And you can either retire for the night or go back to your day, feeling a little more grounded, a little more relaxed, and a lot less stressed.